Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're looking for the perfect screen recording tool, you've probably heard of LOOM and OBS. But which one is the right fit for your needs? In this video, I'll break down the key differences to help you decide. Let's dive in. First up, LOOM. LOOM is designed for simplicity and speed. It's perfect for creating quick tutorials, team updates, or sharing feedback. With its clean interface, you can record your screen webcam or both in just few clicks. Pros: easy to use, minimal setup, and everything is stored in the cloud so you can share links instantly. And the cons are limited customization and fewer advanced features unless you upgrade to a paid plan. OBS Studio. OBS is an open source powerhouse for recording and live streaming. It's great for creators who want more control and flexibility. The pros are highly customizable, supports multiple video sources, and it's free to use. And the cons are the learning curve can be steep and files are saved locally, so you'll need your own storage and sharing solution. So, which one should you choose? If you need something quick and easy for work or casual use, Loom might be your best bet. But if you're a content creator or a streamer who wants powerful features, OBS is the way to go. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.